Hello dear and welcome to Dropee question of the day for the 1st of November and this quick tutorial to guide you through the Dropee mini app game. Alright, so welcome to my channel. I appreciate you so much. Go ahead, subscribe, like and share this video and leave a comment. Alright, you can also check in the description for a link to join Dropee and also join me on Telegram. Link in the description. So first, let's go ahead and get the question of the day out of the way. So you tap there. I'll still be coming back to guide you through the entire basic tutorial. All right, so the question of the day is, what is the gaming or social term for sending a quick notification or interaction to a friend, often to get their attention? Who knows? Well, from what I think, I started seeing this on Facebook, and I could call it poke or poking. Let me try poke first. Check answer. Absolutely. So now let's now go through the tutorial for Dropee. So in this tutorial, we're going to be going through the basics. All right. So, and first off, to get started with Dropee, you need someone to send it to you. You don't need to download any software. So long as you have Telegram on your smartphone already, you are ready to go with Dropee. So just get a link, like in the description of this video. I've dropped the link for you to get started with Dropee. So once you get the link, click on it and it takes you back to Telegram, and then you started. So when you start, you may do this. Now let me sound a caveat, please. Everything I do here are just for educational and informational purposes. None here constitutes an investment advice, and I'm sure you read it already before you started this video. Now, there is something about these mini games which I'm going to be talking about more often this month of November rather. Is about the bastardization and abuse by many of the promoters of these mini games on Telegram. You see, the habit of now introducing a culture of extorting money from users, from the community. I am against it. I have participated, I've given money, but I think it's got to a point where I need to, turn around and begin to talk about it. But let's complete the tutorial. We can talk more details about this in another video. So there's the starter here. This starter, why I don't want to even go there is because here you will need to buy with 5 stars. You'll be buying the starter pack. You boost your growth instantly to get 1 million Dropee, and then you get 25 spins. We're going to talk about spinning later on. You buy with 5 stars or $0.1. So I sincerely, I've become reserved, all right, about spending money on this, because you are doing this because you want to get airdrop. So they are giving you tasks to carry out. Why would they be wanting to now take money from you? All right, that out of the way. So if you want, you can do that, but I'm not doing it. So now here you tap to earn. Okay, so here you tap to earn. So tap to earn, that is a tap to earn game. So you know that. So the next thing there is the boost. So you see the boost here. When you tap on the boost here, after you've exhausted, scroll down first. After you've exhausted your tapping, you can actually, you have 6 full energy refill every day, and each of them is for 1 hour. So you'll be patient while I tap. Of course, I'm going to cut off the tapping. So as I exhaust it, so now you see that I tap with all my 5 fingers. So I've exhausted it. So you go back to boost now. And so you scroll down and tap on full energy. So recharge your energy to the maximum and do another round. So I go ahead. Okay, so that is done. You can see it's refilled now. So I can tap again. But there's one more thing to go to boost again. So you see here, trading per hour. Now come here. Let me show you something. You can see that my trading per hour here is 264.7K. Okay, so every 10 minutes, if you go to boost, here now, if you want to get your trading per hour, which is your TPH, times 2 every 10 minutes is free. You can see it here. All right. If you want it to be for 1 hour, you pay with 10 stars, which is $0.2. That's 20 cents. If you want it to be for 8 hours, all right, then you will pay 50 stars. That's 99. I'll call it $1. Now, let me quickly explain something to you about the TPH. when you are offline, of course, like now, when you're offline, the system works for you in the background. That's like your passive income on the app. So when you're offline, it will be working for me at 264.7K per hour. But if I go with this free for 10 minutes, if I click on it now to buy it, and or rather get it, so it's activated. So if you come back here, you will see that it's now 529. It's multiplied by 2. Okay, so it means that if I'm away, it will be working for me at the rate of 529.4K per hour. Now, because it's just for 10 minutes, so if I am out of the app, it's going to be working for me in the background for just 10 minutes. So it will now divide this 529 divided by 60 minutes. So it will now know how many it will be per minute for those 10 minutes. That's just what this is about. So if you want it to be for 1 hour, then you want to pay with 10 stars or 20 cents to do it for 1 hour. Okay, if you want it to be for 8 hours, you pay with 50 stars. But I am not encouraging you to do that. Just play the game and have fun, right? So that's that. So the next place we'll go to now will be the improve. So under the improve section here, you can see I have this remaining. There is the combo for yesterday that will be elapsing in 1 hour 40 minutes, and I haven't been active on it since the last night because being so busy and all that, and a lot of other things. So I have this card to upgrade to be able to complete this third one. All right, and I did a video on that and I posted yesterday. So if you can, so this card influencer needs to go to level 10. I will show you shortly, but from the look of things, I may not be able to complete this combo. So the next combo I'll make will now be the one for the first stroke, the 2nd of November. Now, if you go down here, the card that's supposed to be here to complete this combo, and if I complete this combo, see what I'm gonna get. 559, 569, but as it were, right now I won't be able to get that. But then let's go down here. Let me show you the card I was supposed to upgrade. This is Instagram Real Marketing. So Instagram Real Marketing, to open it is still locked at level 0. It's still at level 0, and it's locked. So unlock it. To unlock it, I'll need to upgrade Influencer to level 10. And Influencer, I started upgrading it to level 10 since yesterday. It was at level 3 or so, but I wasn't consistent with it through the night, and a lot of other things I forgot. So that's why I'm unable to. It's currently at level 8, and I have to wait for 2 hours now. Meanwhile, this is ending in less than 1.5 hours. 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 12 minutes now, it will end. So what it simply means is that I won't be able to get the combo for today. However, I can still upgrade my cards to increase my profit per hour. Do you get that? So let's now talk about your profit per hour. So each time you buy a card, you increase your profit per hour. Like now, if I buy the Twitter interns, okay, deploy a team of savvy Twitter interns to engage with the crypto community and boost your online presence. So it is plus 20 per hour. So if I pay for it, so that will now be added to this. If you check here now, you see that this has increased to 0.4 to 529.4. Let's just buy a few more so that this one now is plus 5K, is plus 5.3K. So let's see. So that's 529 is going to increase now. Go up and scroll. Let's come back here. Okay, it's not increasing, but let me refresh. Let's refresh. It should be able to increase. Okay, this is what I just received now from this refreshing. You can see that it has increased now. So I'm going to stop it here because I'm going to stop on at this stage here. So let's just improve a few more cards. Let's improve this one too. Now that will also increase our profit per hour. Now I've just got extra 3. Now, so once you upgrade 10 cards, all right, you will get 3 extra spins. I'll be talking about spins in the next tutorial. This is just, take this as the first part of this tutorial. So when I'm doing a combo for today, I'll do the part 2 of this tutorial where I'll talk about the spins and all of that. So just go ahead and start upgrading your cards. Tap then, but before you continue with your tapping, you can see that I'm at 11 per tap, right? You can see that plus 11 per tap. So to increase that, go to Quest. So when you go to Quest, you carry out all of these tasks. Okay, scroll down, you can see tasks you can carry out. Complete all of these tasks. At least you increase your Dropee, that's your D coins, right? As you increase your D coins, you're able to now use it to come and start upgrading, improving your profit per hour and all that. Then you now go to boost also. As you come to boost, you also increase your multi-tap. You can see that my multi-tap currently is at level 6. My energy limit is at level 6 also. And then you can see that the trading per hour times 2 is remaining 4 minutes to go. So if I want to keep on upgrading this one, now every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes rather, I'll just come back and increase and take that free again. So let me increase the energy limit to level 7. Now I'll pay 64,000. All right, so then you can see, if you scroll up here, you can see it's now 6,005. So I go again and increase the next one, which is the multi-tap, take it to level 7. That will now be plus 1, which will now be plus 12 per tab. If you look at it now, you can see it's plus 12 now. So that is that. So in the next tutorial, part 2 of this, when we'll also be doing the combo for the 1st/2nd of November, I'll be explaining the others. All right, so you understand. So go ahead, complete the quest there in the quest section. Do your daily question of the day, and of course complete all these tasks. You can see my daily tasks 6/6. I've completed them, so I can claim, but I'll claim that in the next video. All right, so go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're here too, and see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.